Hello everyone, this is Solomon. I am here to explain you about basic switch and a router configuration. So for that, let's use Cisco Packet Tracer. So for that, let us take two PT switches, PT routers. Okay, let us take PT switch, one PT switch, and one more PT switch here. So let us take few pieces. So let me take few pieces like okay, and PC1. Here let us take two servers, one server, sorry. So actually my tautology diagram is this. So for simplification, let me configure all my tautology diagram and let me configure few extra pieces so that you can understand it very easily. So now let us connect them. So let me connect this through console. Let me connect this also through console cable and copper straight through all the remaining things through fast ethernet connection. So fast ethernet, fast ethernet, fast ethernet. Okay, now in the same way let us connect these also with this. Let us connect two routers with the serial DCE, the serial 2/0 with serial 2/0. Now let us go to the fifth PC. So in the desktop let us go to the terminal. Okay, let us enter no here and let us go for configuration. For that we need to enable this. So enabled and a config T for configuration, line console 0, and let us set a password let it be Cisco, and let us activate this login. Let us exit from this. Now we are set the password. Now router console 0 is now available. Now it will ask for password. Cisco is our password. When we enter the password, this will get enabled. So for that we need to enable the router. Enable. So after enabling the router, uh, let us config T. So let us change the host name. So host name, let it be like uh, anything. Let's keep my name Solomon or anything. Okay, now the host name changed from router to Solomon. So now let us configure line of VTY of 0. Now let us set a password let it be CSE. Okay, now let us log in and we will exit from this. Okay, let's end up this, and now let us configure again. Con config T, and let us have an int of fa of 0/0. For that we'll have an IP address of 192.168.10.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, this is the subnet mask. And now let us know shutdown. Okay, and now let us connect one more PC for this, the same router. Okay, now let us connect one more PC here with crossover cable, fast ethernet. So now we need to access this. So before that we'll configure this 192.168.10.2, and okay, this is, it's not 1 dot, it's 10.2, and the gateway will be 10.1. After this configuration, let us go to the command prompt, and let us have telnet of 192.168.10.1. okay, and trying. So actually I was trying to access this PC, so this was not connecting because I have connected this with, okay, just a second. So I have connected these two, this PC with FA0/0, and not this. Okay, so for that, this was the problem I was facing. So now I have connected with this. So now let's do it again. So trying to access, now the password is CSC. okay, now enable. So it, no password is set. So actually no password is set here, so we need to set a password. For that we need to go to the PC what we have configured. So terminal, okay, okay, co, okay. Mm, enable, see all these things, yes, okay. Mm. Now let us enable this, enable password, password. Let's keep it as CCNA or whatever we can keep. Okay, so invalid password. Okay, let us configure this low config T. So now let us give it as enable password as a CCNA. Now let us, this password is enabled now. Let us exit. Okay, let us see show run. So you can see the running configuration of this. So our host name is Solomon and the password is CCNA. Okay, after this you can see here more. Okay, and if you come here, IP address is shut down, how many times we have configured, all these things. So now it's end up here. So all these things we can find in the PC0. Now you can go here. Now okay, we will enable this as uh, enable. So now it is asking for password. Previously it was not asking for password, now it is asking for password. So we gave password as ccna. So when we give ccna, uh, you can see here the router is configure enable. So now let us run the configuration as running configuration, that is like running config. Okay. Hmm, small mistake. Actually now we'll have show running config. Now you can see all the data, all the information what we have in the first PC. Okay, all this data you can see in the second one. So everything you can see here, what all present in the first thing you can see in the second thing. So meanwhile it was here, so up to here, and now let us have enter more. So all the things you can see here. So more up to information fast ethernet 0/0. So we are accessing the data from one PC to another PC by configuring it in this way. So I hope you understood. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone.